Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Epic Games on PC. Go ahead and launch open your web browser to get started. Now once you do that, go to the URL box and type in epicgames.com and search. Doing this will take you to the Epic Games Store website. From the main homepage of Epic Games website, go to the upper right corner and click on the download button. You will then be able to download the Epic Games installer file. Wait for the download to complete. Once the installer is downloaded, click on Open File to run the Epic installer on your PC. Now, select your Epic Games destination location and click on Install. Follow through the instructions, allow necessary permission if prompted, and you will be able to download and install Epic Games Launcher on your PC. After you've downloaded and installed the launcher, you can now browse and download games from the Epic Games Store. So that is how you can easily download Epic Games on your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.